Hi, I'm Caroline, and in this video we'll be unboxing and looking at the Hypop LED Portable Studio range. The studio comes in 3 different sizes, 40, 60 and 70 centimetres. Today we're looking at the 40 centimetre, but all of these things apply for the entire range. Let's see what's inside the box. The portable studio tent allows you to take professional quality product photos and comprises of the tent itself with inbuilt lights, power cables, a light diffuser and 4 colour backdrops. Setting up the tent is simple. Just open up the flaps to turn it into a cube. There are 2 openings to shoot the camera through. The smaller one is at the top and the larger one is at the front. Also on the top, there are inbuilt lights that you can power using the included power cable. There are inbuilt LED lights which can be a little bit harsh when placing it directly onto your product photos. So we suggest using the diffuser, which can be attached simply by sticking it onto the Velcro edges. There are 4 background colours included: black, grey, orange and white. To mount the backdrop, simply open the top and front flaps and use the Velcro corner tab to attach. You're now ready to take professional quality photos. Looking at the portable studio tent. Sorry, it didn't make sense.